In a future defined by technology, our most precious resources are hidden within the discarded remains of our digital past, waiting for a grand rebirth. Massive drones navigate through the neon-lit skyscrapers of tomorrow, gathering containers filled with electronic waste to be processed at the legendary offshore superfactory. Standing as a beacon of efficiency amidst the dark waves, the superfactory operates as a central hub for the global recovery of rare earth metals. Every second, tons of electronic waste arrive at these high-tech docks, where advanced logistics systems begin the complex journey of turning trash into treasure. Sophisticated robotic arms move with blinding speed and absolute precision, sorting through a chaotic sea of circuit boards to identify those with the highest value. The relentless rhythm of the conveyor belt echoes through the steel halls, carrying the digital fossils of an era that is now being completely recycled. Autonomous vehicles glide silently across the factory floor, transporting sorted materials toward the central processing floor where the true transformation is about to begin. Invisible sensors and high-speed cameras analyze every millimeter of the waste, mapping out the precise location of precious gold hidden beneath the layers of plastic. This is a global operation, a massive hunt for technology's most valuable components, orchestrated by a central artificial intelligence that never sleeps or pauses. Hidden within these intricate patterns of silicon and copper are the microscopic traces of gold that once powered the world's most advanced computing systems. The factory breathes with the hum of electricity and the flow of raw materials, a symphony of industrial might dedicated to the pursuit of sustainability. Nothing is wasted in this facility, as every fragment of metal is captured, cleaned, and categorized by a system that values every single milligram. The scale of the operation is immense, reflecting a world that has finally realized that our landfills are actually the gold mines of the future. Mechanical shredders tear through the past, reducing complex devices into manageable fragments that will soon yield their precious contents through advanced chemical processes. The first chapter of the harvest is finished, and the raw materials are now prepared for the delicate art of molecular separation and refinement. Precision is the key to efficiency, as advanced AI algorithms identify the exact location of every gold contact point with sub-millimeter accuracy and speed. Microbots work in perfect harmony, performing delicate surgeries on the hardware to remove valuable parts without damaging the precious metals they contain within them. Thousands of desoldering units operate in a choreographed dance, using heat and vacuum technology to liberate chips from their permanent homes on the boards. Diamond-tipped tools penetrate the deep layers of the boards, reaching for the hidden traces of gold that were once buried deep inside the computing hardware. The artificial intelligence analyzes the structural integrity of every component, ensuring that not a single speck of gold is left behind during the process. High-pressure air streams precisely target the liberated fragments, whisking them away into a specialized collection system that gathers the wealth of the digital age. This is the heart of microseparation, where the complexity of modern electronics is dismantled, piece by piece, to reveal the simple purity of raw gold. Every chip is categorized by its material composition, creating a detailed inventory of the precious elements that will be recovered in the next stage. Vibrating platforms use the laws of physics to separate heavy gold from the lighter plastic waste, achieving a high level of concentration through mechanical means. The laser's heat is tuned to the exact frequency required to burn away impurities, leaving the indestructible gold untouched and ready for further chemical purification. Security is paramount as the concentration of value increases, with every tray of material tracked by sensors throughout the entire duration of the process. Digital mapping allows the factory to maximize recovery rates, ensuring that the operation remains economically viable and environmentally friendly for the long term. Even the smallest pins are not ignored, for in this factory, every microgram of metal contributes to the final creation of a solid gold bar. Human overseers monitor the complex systems, supported by exoskeletons and augmented reality interfaces that provide real-time data on the factory's efficiency and health. The scale of the separation floor is breathtaking, a testament to human ingenuity and the power of automation in solving the world's waste problems. Versatility is built into every machine, allowing the factory to adapt to new types of electronic waste as technology continues to evolve and change. At the boundary of materials, the factory performs its magic, using advanced physics to undo the complex bonding of modern industrial manufacturing processes. A concentrated stream of value moves toward the next phase, where the chemical alchemy will finally separate the gold from its earthly bonds forever. Real-time analysis ensures that the chemical composition of each batch is perfectly understood before it enters the high-precision extraction tanks for the next step. Maintaining a sterile environment is crucial to preventing contamination, ensuring that the final gold product reaches the highest levels of purity and market value. The factory's lungs breathe through massive filtration systems, cleaning the air and water to ensure that the process leaves no footprint on the environment. With the physical separation complete, the concentration of precious metals has reached its peak, setting the stage for the powerful chemical reactions to follow. The components are submerged into a specialized chemical bath, where a proprietary blue acid begins to dissolve everything except the precious metals themselves. Molecular bonds are broken as the chemical reaction intensifies, creating a bubbling sea of blue that slowly strips away the layers of useless material. The chemical wing resembles a futuristic laboratory, where the ancient dreams of alchemy are realized through the precise application of modern scientific principles. Each fragment undergoes a slow descent through the acid, a journey that purifies the metal by removing the unwanted residues of its digital life. Watch as the gold is liberated from its plastic prison, the acid gently loosening the grip of industrial adhesives that have held it for years. Pumps maintain a constant flow of chemicals, ensuring that the reaction remains efficient and that the gold particles are kept in suspension for collection. Sensors monitor the solution's potency in real time, adjusting the chemical balance to optimize the extraction of every single atom of gold from the waste. Safety drones patrol the network of pipes, using thermal vision to detect any anomalies and ensure the integrity of the high-pressure chemical delivery systems. A shimmering cloud of gold begins to appear within the tank, as the metal starts to cluster together in its purest and most concentrated form. The solution is fed into massive centrifuges, where the force of gravity is multiplied to separate the heavy gold particles from the lighter chemical waste. At incredible speeds, the liquid is purged, leaving behind a thick sludge of concentrated gold that will form the basis of our final product. The recovered material looks like brown mud, but this humble paste contains the essence of wealth, waiting only for the fire to reveal its glory. Purification continues with multiple wash cycles, removing every trace of residual chemicals to ensure that the gold is clean and safe for the smelting process. Under the infrared glow, the moisture evaporates, leaving behind a fine, pure gold powder that is now ready to face the intense heat of the furnace. The factory's commitment to the earth is total, as the used chemicals are neutralized and recycled into clean water, completing the sustainable loop of production. The raw gold powder is now transported to the smelting hall, where the temperature will rise to thousands of degrees to transform powder into liquid. Final quality checks are performed at every step, verifying that the extraction process has reached the required purity levels before the final melting begins. The transition from cold chemistry to intense heat is marked by the opening of the heavy blast doors, where the furnace's roar welcomes the gold. The ceramic crucible is filled with the concentrated powder, a vessel designed to withstand the extreme thermal stress of the induction melting process ahead. Placed within the induction coils, the gold is subjected to powerful magnetic fields that generate heat directly within the metal, bypassing the need for flame. A specialized flux is added to the mixture, a final chemical agent that will draw out any remaining impurities to the surface during the melting phase. The hall is a cathedral of fire and steel, where the air shimmers with heat and the power of the sun is harnessed for industrial transformation. Temperatures skyrocket as the induction field intensifies, pushing the gold toward its melting point with the efficiency that only a super factory can achieve. The transformation begins as the powder absorbs the invisible energy, glowing with a deep red light that signals the onset of the melting process. Solid particles vanish, replaced by a pool of liquid light that swivels and flows with the grace of water, yet with the weight of gold. The air around the furnace crackles with electrical energy, creating a violet aura that contrasts beautifully with the intense orange radiance of the molten metal. A robotic stir ensures a perfectly uniform temperature throughout the melt, guaranteeing that the final bar will have a consistent density and purity levels. The last remnants of the past are cast aside as the impurities rise to the surface, leaving behind only the pure, liquid essence of the sun. The furnace tilts with mechanical grace, a heavy movement controlled by hydraulic systems that ensure the perfect angle for the impending gold pour. The pour is a moment of pure cinematic beauty, a heavy stream of liquid light that fills the mold with the weight of ultimate value. Each spark is a celebration of the gold's return to its pure form, a fireworks display born from the fusion of technology and ancient elements. The newly born bar travels toward its future, its surface still undulating like a sea of fire as it begins its journey toward solidification. Cold mist meets hot metal in a violent hiss of steam, a cooling process that carefully manages the temperature to prevent any cracks or defects. As the steam dissipates, the true color of the gold emerges, a solid yellow brilliance that has been recovered from the heart of discarded machines. The atoms lock into place, forming the dense crystalline structure that gives gold its legendary durability and its timeless appeal to the human soul. The bar is lifted with effortless power, a heavy slab of wealth that is now ready for the final touches of precision engineering and artistry. Weight and measurement are the standards of trust, and every bar produced here is calibrated to the exact weight required by international trade standards. The laser's touch is light but permanent, marking the bar with its digital identity and the seal of the super factory's unmatched quality and purity. To achieve a mirror finish, The bar undergoes a multi-stage polishing process that removes any surface imperfections and enhances its natural golden luster. Every stroke of the polishing head brings the bar closer to perfection, reflecting the high-tech surroundings in its flawless golden and shimmering mirror-like surface. The result is a gallery of light and value, a collection of bars that represent the triumph of recycling over the waste of the past era. A final molecular coating is applied, a transparent shield that preserves the gold's brilliance and protects it from any environmental factors during its future travels. The final scan confirms that the bar meets the absolute standards of perfection, with no internal voids or surface flaws to be found anywhere. Placed with care into its protective tray, the gold bar is now ready for the final storage phase in the most secure vault on Earth. The vault represents the culmination of the journey, a high-security sanctuary where the wealth of the future is guarded by the most advanced technology. Thousands of bars glow under the soft LED lights, a mountain of gold that was once nothing more than discarded trash in a landfill. The brand of the Super Factory is a mark of sustainability and excellence, a promise that technology can indeed heal the world it once helped pollute. Always vigilant, the factory's defenders ensure that the treasure recovered from the past remains safe for the generations of the future to utilize and value. The cycle is complete, and the vault is sealed, holding within it the tangible proof that nothing is ever truly lost in the world of technology. From the vault to the world, the gold begins its new life, ready to be used in the next generation of high-tech devices and machines. Obsessive attention to detail is the hallmark of the factory, ensuring that every product delivered is as flawless as the technology that created it today. The ships depart into the night, carrying the wealth of the Super Factory back to the global markets to fuel the continued progress of humanity. As the sun rises over the horizon, the Super Factory continues its tireless work, a symbol of hope and efficiency in a world of limited resources. The cycle never ends, as yesterday's waste becomes tomorrow's wealth in a continuous loop of recovery, refinement, and rebirth for all our precious metals. Even the smallest bead of gold is a testament to the factory's power, a microscopic masterpiece recovered from the vast sea of electronic waste we produce. This is a global movement, a network of super factories dedicated to the preservation of our planet's most valuable and rare elemental resources for everyone. The intelligence of the machine is matched only by the purity of its intent, a silent witness to the transformation of waste into absolute perfection. Every gram is accounted for, tracked by a secure digital ledger that ensures the transparency and ethical origin of every gold bar produced in the facility. Powered by clean fusion energy, the factory operates with a zero-carbon footprint, proving that industrial power and environmental protection can exist in perfect harmony. The sound of success is the gentle clink of gold against gold, a melody played by robots in the service of a sustainable and prosperous future. Synchronization is the heartbeat of the factory, a dance of machines that never miss a step in the pursuit of absolute industrial perfection and output. Every drop counts, every atom matters, as the factory's systems ensure that the recovery rate for precious metals stays as close to 100%. Under the cover of night, the factory remains a beacon of progress, a testament to what humanity can achieve when we treat waste as a resource. In the reflection of the gold, we see our own future, a world where the mistakes of the past are rectified through the power of technology. The final ascent begins as the gold leaves the factory's core, rising toward the surface to be shipped across the globe for its next purpose. The flight of the drone is the final link in the chain, connecting the offshore miracle of recycling with the bustling markets of the modern world. Identity is security, and every bar carries the mark of its origin, a badge of honor for a material that has been born again from waste. Even in this world of machines, life finds a place, reminding us that the ultimate goal of all this technology is the protection of our nature. The presentation is as important as the product, a luxurious finish for a metal that has earned its place as the king of all industrial materials. Ready for the world, the gold is now a finished product, a tangible asset that represents the incredible journey from a discarded board to a block. This single bar is the result of thousands of hours of technological effort, a concentrated symbol of the Super Factory's mission to refine our digital world. From the microchip to the gold block, we have witnessed a transformation that once seemed impossible, yet is now the standard for a sustainable industrial future. The legacy of the Super Factory is written in the clean air and pure water it leaves behind, a new paradigm for industrial production across the globe. Millions of grams recovered, thousands of lives improved, and one planet protected from the burden of electronic waste that once threatened our environment and our future. The Super Factory of the future stands as a testament to our ability to innovate, recycle, and thrive in a world of limited and precious resources. From the discarded remnants of the past to the eternal brilliance of pure gold, the journey is complete, and the future of industry has finally arrived.